So I know what she looks like now, straightened, beautiful. But of course, I have to see what it's like curly, and I can't leave y'all hanging. Y'all need to see it too. So I also bought this from Ulta. I went to Ulta and just overspent per usual. This is the Babyless, however you pronounce it. Their ceramic curling iron. Again, I'm on a whole ceramic kick. Ceramic supposed to be not as harmful. All right, so this curling iron, it goes up to 430 degrees, which is great. I'm probably gonna set it at 380. Y'all wish me luck, because I really have not used a flat iron in forever. Not a flat iron, a curling iron in forever. So I don't even know if I still know the technique, but I guess we're gonna see if I still got it. Hey guys, it's me in the future. Just coming in to let you know I most certainly did not still have it. You're gonna see in these next upcoming clips, I struggled trying to curl my hair with this curler. Y'all, I'm scared. Wait, I think I'm already messing up, y'all. What? Bruh. Y'all, I never had this on. So it was first red. Y'all make sure y'all click the on button if y'all get this, and wait for the green light to come on. Okay, y'all, please don't laugh or judge too hard at my failed first attempts with this curling iron. These first two pieces were my tester pieces, but I did not realize there is a way you have to hold the curling iron that really dictates the curl that you're going to get. As you can see here, I had my curler pointed up, but the clamp was facing the back. So that resulted in a curl that is actually going towards my face. This next one, I have the curler pointed down, which shout out to my best friend Dom. She finally told me what I need to be doing in order to get the curl that I wanted. If these are the curls you're going for, then by all means, hold your curler how you want, sis. But if you want that classic curl that I was going for, what you're going to want to do is hold the curler pointed up, and then make sure your clamp is facing the front just like your face, and then start to curl backwards. And don't worry if you missed it this first successful attempt that I did doing it this way. I'm going to slow it down for you guys again and keep showing you guys the direction and the way that it's supposed to be done. And the last tip I wanted to give you guys is to actually hold the curler in place for a couple more seconds. It gives the hair time to fully heat up and to set in the curl that you're forming it in. So be better than me and actually let the curler sit for a second.